Well, congratulations on getting a Cigar Oasis 3.0. In the box you should have the user manual, and it should come assembled with the housing base on the water base, and it comes assembled with those slats. You can always take these off if you want to clean it. Otherwise, for refilling, all you need is there. It comes with this little white cap. You could take that off and then put a funnel in if you'd like. So we're going ahead and I'll show you how to fill it up on first use. You'll have a little bag of beads that it comes with. You don't need to take the slats off. You could just pour all the beads right in there. Make sure they're all go inside. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour in, this is just distilled water. You want to use only distilled water. And you have little white lines here on the water base. You want to go up until the top of those lines. Not sure if we'll have enough water right here, but since the beads expand really a lot, you just want to go for the first fill to the bottom of those white lines, and then when you're topping it off for the future, you can just fill it to anywhere above the white line, about 1/4 of an inch or 3/4 of an inch from the top, but otherwise keep it as full as possible for best functioning. So this plugs in with the USB cable, which comes in the box. Now this is a specific USB cable that is got enough power. It's 110, 220 compatible. And then you have the Magna 3.0 updated sensor and controller. So for Wi-Fi setup, you want to see a different video that we have, but otherwise for unit using, you plug that in. And then here on the new LCD display, you'll see the current humidity, you'll see the set point, and the temperature. So the fans right away kick on. This controls the entire unit. This has the sensor on it. So it comes preset to 70, but of course you can reset the set point anywhere you like, up or down. And it's soft touch on the buttons. So real easy on the buttons, and set it to anywhere you like, whatever your preference is. And then you'll see the current humidity coming up here. If you want to change the Fahrenheit to Celsius or the other way, you just hold the circle button for a few seconds, and then you go up or down, and then again the circle button for a few seconds to save your setting. So these vents here blow out the humidity. As soon as it reaches the set point, these vents will close, keeping the unit a sealed design so it's never going to over humidify. I'm assuming you're using this in a humidor cabinet, maybe one of those double door cabinets. It's best to put this way on the bottom, and then since this has a sensor, you can put this anywhere as high as you like, depending on where you want it to best get a reading of the humidity. So you can put that, mount that on the wall with the sticky that is provided, mount it to the side wall, anywhere on the middle, or on the bottom, or on the top, and wherever you put the sensor, that's where it's going to control. And again, you want to keep this on the bottom, but you want to keep the space where these vents are completely clear. So if you're using this in, say, a 5-6 shelf cabinet humidor, you want to keep the entire space on the back of the humidor, if these vents are facing the back, completely clear for all the humidity to travel upward. So it should take about a few hours, 6 to 8 hours, for these beads to fully expand. And then once it's expanded, you should have beads, maybe a little loose water. It's fine if you have loose water as well. The beads keep the water in place, and also is a very efficient way for you to get pure humidity instead of mist coming out. And you're getting the best kind of humidity from these. We suggest replacing the beads about every 12 months or so, or if they get dirty, which shouldn't, provided you're using distilled water The beads may get a little discoloration with time, otherwise they should be fine for a year. So that is how you set up the Cigar Oasis Magna. Again, for Wi-Fi, see a different video for setup and for calibration as well. And good luck with the use. Feel free to call us anytime if you have any questions or concerns. That is the Cigar Oasis Magna 3.0. Thank you so much.